Hello my dear friends, how are you? I'm Vikas driving instructor from Vikas Driving School. In this video, I'm going to tell you most common mistake students they doing in their driving test. I've been so many driving tests. I seen passing a driving test. It's very hard, very stressful. I feel very bad. Passing a driving test should not be stressful, should be very easy. So in this video, I'm going to tell you most common mistake students they're doing in their driving test. So please watch this video till the end. If you're going to watch this video till the end, you're going to get all the information to pass your driving test and most common mistake students they're doing in their driving test. First most common mistake student they're doing whenever they're turning left and right, they do little bit rush. Sometime they start to turn, they see the corners, they don't see little away, little far, so they just see the corner and they just start to turn. When they turn, they fail to give way. Make sure always whenever you're turning left and right, don't rush. Don't try to see the corner. Try to see as far you can see. Come closer to that dotted line and see a big picture of the road. And once you see everything is clear, then turn left or right. And the second most common student they're doing, they fail their driving test in a overspeeding. Overspeeding is a very big mistake. Everybody, most of the students they're doing, because overspeeding is a zero tolerance. If the speed zone is 50 or 40, if you're going to drive like a 3 or 4 or 1 point more than 5 seconds, it's going to be immediate termination. Immediate termination means they're going to stop your test straight way. Or if your speed will be go, for example, if the speed limit is 40 and suppose you go on 45, even it's not a 5 second, it's immediate termination. Straight away you're going to lose your driving test. So make sure whenever you're driving, always you have a 10 km/h margin. If the speed limit is 40, keep your speed limit between 30 to 40. If you're going to drive on exact speed, there will be very high chance to fail your driving test in a overspeeding. As we know, it's very hard to drive on the same speed for a long time because the speed is going to be always fluctuate, little bit up, little bit down. So always, if the speed limit is 40, drive between 30 to 40, for example 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, whatever is safer for you. And if the speed limit is 50, drive between 40 to 50. And the third most common mistake student they're doing, they fail to check their mirror and the head checks. Always whenever you're leaving your parking, whenever you line changing, and whenever you're crossing the bike line, always must need to do shoulder check. Shoulder check. Some student, when they're doing shoulder check, they do check too much. They start to move their full body. You don't need to turn your body. You just need to turn your neck just 90 degree, and you just need to look the side. You don't need to see the back side of your car. You just need to see the side of your car to check the blind spot. And another mistake student they're doing, whenever they're driving, they're not checking their mirrors. In the first stage, if you're not going to check your enough mirror checking, you can fail your driving test just because of not looking your center mirror. So always whenever you're turning left and right, always whenever you're pressing your brake, check your mirror. Whenever you're slowing down, check your mirror and make sure don't look little bit, and just make sure try to look for a little bit longer time and move your head also little bit so the examiner can see you are checking your mirrors. And the last common mistake student they're doing in their driving test, whenever they're turning left and right, sometime they mount a curb, they go top of the curb. Make sure whenever you're in a driving, anytime you're going to hit the curb, it's going to be immediate termination. So don't do these mistakes in your driving test. They're going to be very high chance to pass your driving test. If you have any question, any doubt, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply you very soon. And please don't forget to follow my channel, subscribe, so that will be really great help for me, will help me to motivate to provide you for more videos to help you to pass your driving test. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon with the next video. Bye for now.